Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix this version of WhatsApp has expired problem on your Android or iPhone. See, this is the problem. How to fix it? Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and search for WhatsApp. Now tap on the WhatsApp and force stops. Okay, scroll down. Now tap on the storage, clear cache. Okay, back. And now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. Call logs allow, back. Camera allow, back. Contacts allow, back. And another location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notifications turn on. Okay, back. And phone, photos and videos, SMS allow all permission. Okay, go back. And again search for Play Store and tap on the Play Store. Again force stops. Okay, scroll down. Now tap on the storage, clear cache, clear data, delete. Okay, go back. And now tap on the permission option, contacts allow, back. Location allow, back. Microphone allow, back. Nearby devices allow, back. Notification turn on. Okay, back. And phone and SMS allow all permission. Okay, go back. And now check your internet connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and go to Play Store, search for WhatsApp and check update your WhatsApp. My WhatsApp already updated. Okay, and now uninstall and again install WhatsApp app. Okay, go back and open your WhatsApp. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.